go to the backpack and how to use the backpack with the Steadicam and the arms. So now we remove the system. Wait. We goes here. You put on this side, lock with the pin, and now you know that the camera is secured, because also the legs is in the axe of the camera. You can see the leg here, all the system. So if you have a very wet equipment, it can be go over this leg. So now you are in safe mode. Okay? So now I will show you the backpack. This one you can put it. Yes. And I will show you how to make the different settings. Like this. So when you install the Steadicam, you need to put these two things on the support. Like that. Very well. So you can see by pressing this level you can tighten more the backpack. And if you want to lose it, you have just a little button here. You just put it and you can release the system. Okay? So now we are very well packed. Now we need to adjust this one. So now I think it's good because it's very tight, it's very good. Now, where is the arm? Here is the arm. Here is the arm. This one will help the Steadicam operator to use and very well the Steadicam. As you can see, you have two parts. This part go to this side, to this tube, and the other one, this one, goes to this tube. Okay? So now we will set up the arm, because we can put different strap on it to have a strength or lower strength on arms. So I will show you. Here is the strap, very special strap. Keep always on this bag, away from humidity and sun. So the strap, like this one, it's small one, gray one, okay? So this one, we need to put it, take this, I will show you. Here, as you can see, there is a special things that you need to put the strap on it. So when you begin to install the strap, you take the strap like this, you go between the two positions, like this, and now I fixed the strap on one position, on this one, okay? Now you have fixed this one, you need to put it, this one, to the opposite side. I don't know if you can see. There is also here the fixation. So now you bend it very well, and you can see one more time you put it between the two supports. So now you bend it, and that's it. You have put just one strap. You need to put one strap on the left, one strap on the right. So now we'll put the second one. So the same thing. I will put the strap between the two lockers, right there, okay? And bend it like this between the other. So I will put like this to show you. Remember, I forget to show you. Here you have a ring. You see this ring? This ring must be on the center of the system, like this, not on this side, not on this side, because if you put like this, the strap, the band, will go over. So this one is the security. So you put like this, and you bend it. Wait, I will do like that. Normally you should do it sit down, it's better for you, and you can gain some time. So at the beginning it can be a little bit tricky, yes, especially on this position, but now I put the band. All the time verify that the band is not twisting. All the time the band must be parallel to the other one. Okay? So now you verify that you put. As you can see here, I've made the big stakes. Here you can see there is the ring on the wrong side, and you can see that the strap is not correct and will lose when we will use it for the first time. So now I will just rebend one more time and put it on the correct position. So now I put the ring on the correct side and put it correctly. This way, and okay, now it's good, better. So as you can see, now it's on the good position. Here also, and here also. We are on the good position. So now, as you can see, we put just one strap on the left and on the right. Now, as you can see, this one have nothing. Imagine that it's correct. Now you have the position of your arm. When you put a heavier camera, you need to put more strap on it, because now if I use just one strap, it's very easy. You can see I can do it with my arm easily. So you have no pressure here. You need to have more pressure. So we need to put more strap, because at the end, normally the arm should be like this. Why? When you will use it, I will show you now, to have all the coverage of the arm. So I will show you now. We'll put two different straps on it. So we start here, go back on the opposite side, very well. You can see very easy. Another strap, so you can see like that how I will do it. Put on the middle. Take it back from the other side. Now it's good, it's not twisted, nothing. And now do the same thing on this side. And we are ready. So now, just for showing you, the operator take this one. So don't forget, you have, I will show you. We have the two screws, but at the end we have some plastic. This plastic is very important, so don't lose it. It's very important. Why? I will show you now why. When you put the system on the side, like that. When you put the system on the tube, you go on the hole, and you can see the plastic here is here, and the other is also underneath. You need to put it on this plate, on this side. If you lose this plastic, will not allow you will not use the Steadicam correctly, because this thing will tighten very tight with this plate. So now we insert it to the operator, so you can hear a click. You can do one more time. Okay. It's you need to hear a click. If it's not clicking, like this. Okay. So now we just tighten a little bit here, a little bit down, and I will show you after how to setting this stuff. So now the operator have the Steadicam on this side. Every time the camera will be on the left side of the operator. Okay? So now, if I put the camera here, just like that, when you are alone, because now we are two, but when you are alone, look at this. You are like this. You took out the system, and no, wait, because now it's very lightweight. But when you will be with a hard, heavy-duty system, this one should be like this, on this position with the leg. And now, very important, when you will put this tube on this other tube, you need not bend like this. It's forbidden for your back to do like this inside the tube. No, the correct position is you bend your knee, you put the tube, and you move over. Okay? So now when you put it, no, it's too low. Okay. Just a little bit in front of you, like this. Wait, give it a little bit back. Just bend it a little bit. Bend like that. You take your hand and show. You can see it goes through the system very slowly. And now you go on the right side. So now on the right side, this one like this. You can see. And now we can put your right hand here and goes up. Okay? So now this is the correct position for the Steadicam. The right hand come here, and this one, the left one, will touch this bar with the end of the finger. Why? Like you play on the piano. When it will be correctly tuned, this one, it's with the left hand, you need to make like this, very slowly, like that, not with all the fist, and make it like that, because you will not able to make a smooth shooting. So this one, just with the end of the finger, just to adjust a little bit the system.